Are you tired of manually typing the same data over and over in Smartsheet? Learn how to edit a drop-down list in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access the column properties. Then, you'll update the options and apply the changes. Start by navigating to your Smartsheet homepage. Then, open the sheet that contains the drop-down list you want to edit. Right-click on the column header to open the column properties. From the menu, click on Edit Column Properties. In the Values section, you can now make your changes. Remove any options you no longer need, then type in the new ones. Once you're done, click OK to save. Now, all future selections in that column will use the updated options. A quick tip: keep drop-down options short and descriptive, and remove outdated ones to avoid confusion. That's it. Happy editing! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.